So you've seen some folks flashing cash or showing big commissions coming from Legendary Marketer, and while that seems great and everything, you're a bit skeptical, right? Well, you should be skeptical. Whenever people are promising fast and easy money, it's a scam at one level or another. Hey, it's Leah Ray from ToddandLeahRay.com, and we've earned several hundreds of thousands of dollars from different affiliate marketing programs, including Legendary Marketer. So here is the real deal. No matter how awesome the program, there are absolutely no legitimate get-rich-quick opportunities out there. And whenever you find someone pushing that narrative, get-rich-quick, easy, fast money, you should run for the hills, period. Someone honestly just sent us an email. They asked us if they could make $10,000 a month within their first few months if they got started with Legendary Marketer. Well, here's our real answer that we sent back to him, guys. Is it possible? Well, yes, you could make $10,000 a month in a few months in Legendary Marketer, but is it likely? Not unless you've had previous success in the past. To be completely honest, there is absolutely nothing out there that will predictably get you to $10,000 a month, at least not consistently, in only a few months. Although it can and does happen, those examples are way out of the norm. Now, while we didn't have an opportunity like Legendary Marketer when we first started online, honestly, it took us about a year to get to that level of income in our business. And that is honestly a lot faster than what we've seen most successful people do it in. In fact, it actually took us 5 months starting from scratch just to get to a consistent $500 a month. Now, if you're looking for a program that will get you to $10,000 a month in only a few months, it's definitely in the fast, easy money category, and anyone who is promising you fast, easy money is either a scammer or they have no idea what they're talking about. Now, that being said, Legendary Marketer does have a traffic co-op that you can buy into that does guarantee some sales. But whether you're actually profitable with that or not is really hit or miss. You know, some people put in $1,000 into the co-op and they get $7,000 out or more. Awesome. But others, they put in $1,000 into the co-op and they only get a few hundred back out. There are no guarantees. The people who actually do well in Legendary, or really with any legitimate program, are the ones that work on building their marketing skills and producing content consistently, like daily or weekly, okay? Some of us actually supplement that content when we layer on paid ads, but the people who excel in this industry are always the content creators. As long as the affiliate marketing program is legit, when you learn how to market and you regularly create content, you're going to have success. That's why we focus on teaching people real, legitimate marketing strategies that will help you build a lasting, sustainable business online. Branding, list building, content creation, social media, funnel building, audience growth. Now, there are factors within each program that will help or hurt how big of the results you can create. If the offers in the program are good, it's great value and a really good sales funnel, you're going to make more money. Now, let's be totally honest. There were some companies in the past that didn't offer too much value, but were really, really good at selling. And the talented marketers who were with them made huge amounts of money with them. Well, until the FTC came around and shut them down. So when you're evaluating a program, you should be looking to see that they will be around long term. Some good clues to look for is that people are wanting to purchase just because of the massive amount of value that the offer provides, not just for the opportunity to make money with it. Now, Legendary Marketer offers low-end products starting at just $30 and higher-end products like live masterminds or very comprehensive and thorough training programs that get into the thousands. So they offer something for any budget. But all of them pack on value, and that's what's most important, that they really truly serve your audience. Because their training is excellent, and yes, their marketing is also very good, it really does make for an excellent opportunity. But remember, you still have to learn the marketing skills and take action, like consistently producing content to get results. And as in life, there are no guarantees that you're going to make money here or in any program. Learning skills and consistently creating content, those are the things that will help you consistently get to $10,000 a month in a very passive manner. But it takes time. There's a learning curve to it, and it takes time to create content and to build your audience. So I guess my answer would be that if you're looking to get to $10,000 a month, Legendary Marketer is the best way to do that. But if you're looking to get to $10,000 a month in only a few months, what you're looking for is a scam. It's Scam! There's nothing out there that will help you do that. And there's nothing we can do to help you there. Okay, now if Legendary Marketer is something that you want to take a closer look at, just click the link at the top of the description or in the info card in the upper right corner of your screen. Now, I really didn't set out here to burst everyone's bubble, but I really had to be totally honest with you. I want to set you up for real, long-lasting success, going in with your eyes wide open, all right? Plus, hopefully we can prevent you from getting pulled into something down the line that just takes your money, setting false expectations of fast and easy money. Again, you can click the link at the top of the description to check it out for yourself. This is Leah Ray, here to help you create the time freedom that you and your family deserve. I'll see you soon.